Hello everyone, my name is João Victor Bolson Marques. I'm a master student at Universidade Federal de Santa Maria here in Brazil. And today I'm going to present you our study named An Alternative Way to Analyze and Predict Consonant Clusters Productions in Brazilian Portuguese Phonological Assessment. So first I'm going to give you a small introduction about our subject, and then I'm going to talk about our proposal itself. After that, I'm going to present you the validation and the results to finish the presentation with the conclusions. So one of the obstacles to obtain a minimal set of words in a phonological assessment is the need to include words with many consonant clusters. The target set in this study is used in a phonological assessment model and it is composed of 84 words. Our database contains more than 100,000 phonological transcriptions collected from phonological assessments in the real world. At the end of this study, we are arriving at a method to indirectly evaluate consonant clusters present in the evaluations. So here we have the flowchart of our method. So first we have a set of 84 words here and the phonemes that it is expected to be reproduced in this assessment. And then we have the produced phonemes that a child was able to reproduce in the assessment. So we get this set here and we separate into validation set and entry set. And this entry set here will feed our algorithm. So the first step here is to split all the consonant clusters in small parts. So for example, this cluster here, PR, will be separated into P and R, and BL will be split into B and L. After that, we combine all of those parts here to generate new consonant clusters. So our logic is based on the premise that if a child is able to reproduce, for example, P and all L, then she must be able to reproduce the consonant clusters, the consonant cluster PL. That's here. After that, at the end of the assessment, we are able to validate and to compare these inferred consonant clusters here to the produced ones. By using our database to run the proposed method of analysis, we could infer the child's ability to produce all the possible consonant clusters present in the set of 84 words. So in green and in yellow, we have the consonant clusters that are present in the set of target words. They are evaluated in 2 words and in 1 word. But here in blue, we have the consonant clusters that are evaluated indirectly by our method. So by analyzing the consonant clusters with our method, it is possible to reduce the number of words needed in the phonological assessment because we don't need anymore to put 2 or 3 or 4 words in the phonological assessment just to evaluate 1 or 2 consonant clusters. We do that indirectly. So we employed a logic based on breaking down the consonant clusters into small structures. Our logic is grounded on the premise that if a child is able to produce the consonant clusters A, B, and C, D in a specific position, then they can also produce the phonemes, the consonant clusters A, C, and B, D in the same position. Our method was able to predict with 97% of accuracy the articulation ability of the inferred consonant clusters. By using our method to analyze the phonics transcriptions, less words are needed in a phonological assessment, as I said before. However, our approach had a false positive rate of 12% and a false negative rate of 80%, indicating that the method still has room for improvements. As future work, we will include adaptations to the method to better the accuracy of predicting consonant clusters productions. We also believe that there is a potential to apply the same logic here to predict other types of phonemes in the language and not just consonant clusters. So that's it. Thank you all and bye.